Are you looking for an interesting vocational course? Join this roofing team. Using lemongrass essential oil in soap production helps to antibacterial, repel insects and reduce pain effectively. Here we can see the pinpoint accuracy in the production of ceramic tiles. This creative idea reminds me of the childhood game called Maze. Dude makes chopping wood look like a martial art. Do you know that gluten is the key factor determining the elasticity of noodles? Take a few seconds to be amazed by the incredible scale of the system creating this septic tank. The road printer can create roads anywhere from 3 to 20 feet wide. The 3D free pipe bender is a perfect choice for creative enthusiasts. The entire layer of tape is removed by the machine without affecting the quality of the road surface. Wind power is the only energy making this unmanned machine work. Creating a unique and attractive flavor for meat foods. By using this machine, it becomes easier to mix and combine spices, ensuring each piece of meat is evenly and perfectly seasoned. With its flexibility and high performance, meat seasoning mixers not only help create meat products with unique flavors, but also improve the productivity and efficiency of the food production process. This makes spice mixers an indispensable part of the modern food industry. The powerful feeling and presence of the sharp blade is undeniable as it crushes frozen meat. With precision and power, this blade turns substantial chunks of meat into small, uniform granules ready for further processing. Every time the knife cuts through, it's a new step forward in the meat processing process, from creating uniformity in texture to bringing out the meat's maximum flavor. Chicken meat processing machine is one of the important. Equipment in the food industry, playing an important role in preparing and processing chicken according to industrial processes. Looking at the chicken processing machine, you can feel its power and efficiency from separating meat, slicing it, crushing it, and processing it into final products such as minced meat, meat pieces, or ready-to-be products. Chicken processing machines help increase production efficiency while ensuring product uniformity and quality. The use of automatic horizontal candy drawing machine with PLC system brings many significant benefits to the candy production process. PLC systems allow for precise and flexible automation and control of production processes, helping to increase performance and product quality. The automatic horizontal candy pulling machine is designed to automatically stretch and cut candies into desired sizes and shapes. The flexibility of the PLC system allows adjusting many different parameters such as pulling speed, thickness, and length of the candy, thereby creating quality and uniform products. Have you ever wondered how candies are shaped? This will be the answer tree for you. The process of creating candy begins with the preparation of a mixture of candy ingredients, followed by the process of molding the candy into molds or molds. The molds can be made from materials such as silicone, plastic, or metal, depending on the type of candy in desired shape. Once the candy mixture is poured into the mold, it is placed in a cold or cool environment to freeze the candy and keep its shape. This process often requires a high degree of professionalism and technique to ensure that the details of the candy are beautiful and attractive and can take a lot of effort and time to perfect a uniquely shaped candy product.